we are going to see the weightlessness in satellite. So weightlessness has a mean when a person is in the satellite. First of all, we are going to see what is a weight. The formula of weight is given by mg. But when a person is standing here on a platform, so weight experienced by person is due to the reaction force. So weight is acting, we always know W is equal to mg, always downward, and the reaction force acting upward. So reaction force experienced by the person on his feet due to his weight is called a weight experienced by the person. So reaction force is responsible for the weight of a body. This is one thing very important to understand the fundamental of weightlessness in the satellite. Now see here in the diagram, let this small circle represents position of Earth having mass me and radius re. A satellite of mass m revolving around the Earth with velocity v. And here we are going to see that what is weight experienced by a person which is in the satellite revolving around the Earth. So now see very carefully, when a person or a satellite is revolving around the Earth, what forces are acting actually? So we are knowing that two forces are acting. One, Newton's gravitation force, Newton force F is equal to capital G me, one mass of Earth, m mass of satellite by the distance. Let this satellite is small r distance away from this, so it is small r square, and presented by equation number 1. This Newton universal gravitation force provides required centripetal force to revolve the satellite in the circular path. So this centripetal force is given by formula m Vo square by r, and it is represented by equation number 2. Now see, if the source of centripetal force is gravitational force, then we can say both forces are same. So we may write, comparing equation 1 and 2, we may write G MEM by r square is equal to m V naught square by r. So by solving, one may write m is cancelled by m and this r is cancelled by square of it. So in that condition, we may write square of the velocity of a satellite is equal to g me by r. And this equation is here represented by equation number 3. Now it is time to pay attention here. Suppose this is a satellite. Satellite here, which is revolving around the, and one person is standing here on the, this is astronaut. this space person is inside this satellite of mass m. Right? This astronaut is also revolving around with the satellite around the earth with velocity, same velocity VO. See carefully. This astronaut or space person experiences two forces. What are these two forces? Number one, gravitational force. Gravitational force towards earth, and it is given by formula, and it is equal to G me m dash. M dash is the mass of astronaut or space person by its distance from it. This is, and this gravitational force is acting downward, and one more force he experienced. See carefully in this, at the reaction force, upward. The second one is a reaction force acting upward, acting on the feet of the astronaut when it is standing on the surface of satellite. Reaction force, capital R, acting upward, and it is acting downward. Now we may say that net force experienced by a space person, that is G me m dash by r square minus r, resultant force experiences. Net forces, resultant forces experienced by space person is this, right? And this force, this resultant force, provides required centripetal force, revolve in circular path, and this centripetal force is given by formula, and it is given by formula mass of space person, its velocity by r. Now see, the resultant force is acting, it is given by equation number 4 here, and required centripetal force is equation by 5. So here in the general mechanics, this resultant force provides centripetal force, then we may write G me m dash by r square minus r is equal to m dash square, m dash v naught square by r. Right? Now divide by m dash here in this equation. One may write GME by r square minus r by m dash is equal to v naught square by r. It is represented by equation number 6 here. So see here in the equation number 3 first of all here. V naught square from the equation number 1 is given by GME by r. So we are going to place value of V naught square is equal to GME by r here in the last equation just we obtained here. When we put this value here, value of V square by r, GME by r square minus r by m dash is equal to V square is GME by r into 1 by r. So this becomes GME by r square, GME by r square. This both cancel. what this provide? R by m dash is equal to 0. What does finally this implies? R is equal to 0 because m dash can never be 0 here in this case. It is the mass of the quantity of matter contains inside the space person. Right? What does it meanings? No reaction force experienced by space person. This is called condition of weightlessness. So this weightlessness condition is experienced by whom? Space person sitting in satellite. Same situation arises when we are in the lift. And lift rope is breaked. Then we fall down under gravity with. Then a person standing on the surface of lift experiences condition of weightlessness. The same situation is because at this condition a person is inside the lift and the wire of the lift is breaked and this lift fall under gravity with acceleration due to gravity freely. In that condition a person is standing on the surface of lift experiences condition of weightlessness. Why condition of weightlessness? Again he feel the reaction force is 0. If reaction force is 0, no weight. So it means that, which I said in the beginning of the topic, no weight experienced by a person when it's feel reaction force 0. So experience by weight only when a person is experiencing the reaction force. So this is for the concept of weightlessness. Thank you.